Exodus 14 verse 14, the Lord will fight for you, you need only to be still. Psalm 46 verse 10, be still, and know that I am God, I will be exalted among the nations, I will be exalted in the earth. Isaiah 30 verse 15, in repentance and rest is your salvation, in quietness and trust is your strength, but you would have none of it. Lamentations 3 verse 26, it is good to wait quietly for the salvation of the Lord. Mark 4 verse 39, he got up, rebuked the wind and said to the waves, quiet, be still. Then the wind died down and it was completely calm. Psalm 37 verse 7, be still before the Lord and wait patiently for him. Do not fret when people succeed in their ways, when they carry out their wicked schemes. Zephaniah 1 verse 7, be silent before the sovereign Lord, for the day of the Lord is near. Habakkuk 2 verse 20, the Lord is in his holy temple, let all the earth be silent before him. 1 Kings 19 verse 12, after the earthquake came a fire, but the Lord was not in the fire. And after the fire came a gentle whisper. Ecclesiastes 3 verse 7, a time to tear and a time to mend, a time to be silent and a time to speak. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.